ganyan.
Yung mode of execution ba, meron kayong decision?
Hindi, bahala na yung judge, di ba?
Hindi, kung lethal injection,
Nandun,
hanging,
the bill as
firing
it
squad.
stands now provides for 3 modes. Lethal injection, hanging, or firing squad, di ba? So,
Discretion din yun ng judge
oo,
kung alin doon.
sa judge na. And then,
Hindi kayo pipili ng isa lang.
hindi na, mas mahirap yun eh. So, para nandun na yung sa judge, then the judge can call for the executive, find out ano ba most effective nyo dyan and everything. Kasi mag-evolve pa naman yan eh. And you have to consider that even with the reimposition of the death penalty, you do not expect an execution in the next 4 or 5 years yan dahil sa hearing na lang, because ito naman po, pag naipasa ito, halimbawa maipasa ito kalagitnaan ng taon, yan ay mag-take effect lang doon sa mangyayaring offenses upon the passage of the law. Hindi naman po pwedeng mag-take effect yan doon sa mga nangyaring kaso na. So kung may mangyaring kaso, sa investigasyon lang yan, matagal na. Sa fiscal, ipa-file sa husgado, magta-trial sa RTC, may appeal pa sa... It takes about 5 years. So by that time, in fact, baka may mas maganda ng mode of execution, tsaka hindi naman there is no rush unto the mode of execution.
Sir, sa bill,
For all we know, wala rin ma-execute eh.
sa bill ngayon, under the discretion ng judge kung ano yung mode of execution.
Oh.
Hindi siya dun sa tatlo.
Yung judge ang magsasabi.
Sir, it stands to reason.
Kasi nga, baka mapasa ito, baka wala na mag-commit ng heinous crime. Di wala natin pag-uusapan ng execution.
Sir, so it's also possible na walang ma-execute during the term of the president.
Possible. Possible because the president has about 5 years and 4 months left, di ba? So, isipin mo kung gaano katagal din ang gestation period ng conviction of death penalty, matagal yan.
Pero
Kasi,
sir, sabi ni Kong Harry Roque, maglalagay siyang sunset provision na during the term lang daw po ni President Duterte ang death penalty revival.
bahala siya. Yun sinasabi niya, hindi naman kung hindi naman i-accept ng committee. Idea lang din yun. Sunset provision.
Hindi kayo payag dun, sir.
Hindi, ano sunset provision pa? That will make the bill